Hello and welcome to our first Sunday Fun Day. What is your spirit animal according to your favorite swimming event? Well, if you swim individual medley, you are super versatile. You are the best at moving through the water on any stroke. You are just like a dolphin. What? You thought dolphins were butterflies? Not gonna lie, I thought about it since they look very cool when they swim and when they jump. But we needed a fish that could fly. If you swim butterfly, you are a flying fish. Is your favorite event the 50 freestyle because you're fast? Then you, my friend, are a swordfish, the fastest of the fast. What if your favorite stroke is the breaststroke? Well, you're exotic. Not a lot of people can swim fast like that. You are just like a colorful frog. But what if you cannot swim fast in short distances, but you can hold a steady pace for a long time without getting tired? You can swim many miles just like a dangerous killer whale. Last but not least, if you love swimming on your back and you're also charming and funny, then of course you are a backstroker, and your swimming spirit animal is the otter. Hey, we're thinking of doing swimming caps with your spirit animal. Would you be interested in that? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to watch another video like this, click here.